everyone, welcome to the new video. So today we'll see about Git in GitHub about branches and tag. So yeah, let's go. So I have this repo, and currently you can see that there is only one main branch. Okay. Today, what I'll demo it through UI. How you can create feature branch, then how you can create PR to merge the feature branch into the main branch or whatever branch you want to merge. What is tag? How you can create tag in GitHub UI. In next video, we'll talk about how we can do it through commands. Okay. So as you can see, this is a branch, main branch. We'll go to, and this is a default branch. But we cannot work, like all developers cannot work on the same branch. So what we do, we create a new branch. And that will be our feature branch or anything what we want to name it. We can create even develop branch from main branch. So basically we can select that from which branch you want to create your this branch. So we will create develop branch from main branch, and then from develop branch we'll be creating, every developer will be creating their own feature branch. And once, if their feature branch work is done, they'll merge, after all the testing, they'll merge that feature branch into develop branch by raising a PR request. Once all the changes are tested in develop branch, we can merge this develop branch changes into the main branch. So that's how it works. So I'm creating a new branch. Now you can see there is one branch develop. So if I'll go in my code, and whatever folders and everything that is present in main branch, and if I'll go to develop branch, same thing will be present in develop branch. But if now whatever changes I am going to do over here, suppose I did some change, it will not be reflecting in the main branch because this is now the separate branch. Okay. So if I want to merge any change of develop branch into main branch, then I can go pull request. I can see, so new pull request, and basically we from base main branch we want to compare our develop branch, and then we can create pull request, whatever we want to write a description, create pull request. And once the pull request is approved, if I say merge pull request, confirm merge, so whatever changes that I did, so I did, it will be merged in the merge pull request from develop branch. So this is how we is actual merging and creating the feature branch, and then working happens. Now what happened, if now many developers will come and they want to work on something, so they'll create a new branch, feature v1, but that will be from develop branch, because develop branch will be mostly you know will be mostly in a current working state development. So I'm creating a feature branch from a develop branch. So now whatever changes that I will do in this feature branch, suppose if I'm adding one line base image, so those changes will be first merged. Like, this is not something that you cannot merge directly to master branch. You can of course do it, but it is not an advisable thing. Okay. You should first merge the changes into your from where you have taken the status. So now if I compare and pull request, So it is comparing with the main branch, but you can of course change it. I, as I said, you cannot. It's not like you cannot merge the changes directly into main branch, but that's not the thing happening in the organization. No one directly merges the change into main or the default branch. First, the changes will go into develop branch, and then you know the things will be it will show like what has changed, whatever has changed. It will uh, create a and we'll create a pull request. Once that is approved, right now I am the owner, I am everything, so I am approving it and it will directly merge it. But actually the owner of the repo does everything. So this is regarding the branches. So branches, what are branches? Basically, branches are like a tree that we take out the like from somewhere, from the part of the development of from the main trunk. We will take out one branch, work on it, merge again to the same branch. And if you want to understand more about branches and branching strategy, there is one of my video, you can go through that as well. So yeah, it's like a tree structure which is formed. If you'll see, there is a main branch, then there is a develop branch which is taken from the main branch. So it's like a branch. We will so just try to make a visual representation in your head. So it everything represent a tree like structure. That's why they are known as branches. And you cannot directly work on the main or development branch. You need every developer has to take create their own feature branch, work on their issue. After testing it out, merge those changes, delete. You can even delete the branches once your work is done, your feature branches. Then comes tags. What are tags? Tags are something, suppose these are mostly done when you are doing release. So there are we are going to do one release, and in that release we have some we want to keep that for this release this code was there, all this, like there should be one bookmark kind of thing. So tags are something which we create if we are going to do release. So first of all, they are not releases, that's why they are not tags. So we need to create a release and then a tag, a kind of tag. So basically, whenever, so basically, release is something we are going to release now. It We have created a release branch, okay, and we are going to release that changes that application. But we are going to put a tag on that release because it's like a bookmark that on this release, so this tag is hooked to this release. Means with the tag name we can identify, okay, what was released, what was the code and everything. So I want to now, whatever changes I did on main branch, now I want to make a like do a release or do a deployment. So I am targeting main and I'm selecting, right now I don't have any tag. So I can create, yeah. So as you can see, there was no tag. So for this main branch, whatever the changes have been done now, I want to do a release. So I want to create a separate, release and then tag on it. So this is our version v 1.0.0. So yeah, it will create a tag. uh, I'll publish release. So yeah, see, whatever the things, everything it has zipped. So now I know that for this tag, for this release version 1.0.0, this was the source code. Everything is zipped. Okay. So if I go now, if I go to tags, if I go open this tag, whatever was there in this tag, like whatever source code, everything will be visible over here. So if suppose if I want to roll back, or if it is for our ease that for this commit or for this release, this was the source code, this was a zip file. If further going, if you as soon like there when there will be more releases, there will be more tags that you will be create, and it will be useful for you. So that's why for each release we create a tag, so that it's like a bookmark and it's ease for us. So again, we don't work on this, it's just for our uh, uh, you know how to maintain it. Again, if we want to work, we'll create a feature branch, merge into develop, from develop we'll merge into main, and then for release we'll do a release. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Today we have seen everything in UI, but I'll in upcoming video I'll try to show everything through command, so that it is more practical, and yeah, you can use it. That's all.
That's all for today's video. I hope it's helpful. Please let me know your views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye.